In this video, I will show you how to clone and use multiple apps on one mobile device, because there are cases where you need to have one app multiple times. Like maybe you need to have something like Snapchat or WhatsApp or Instagram like 3 times or 5 times in your mobile device. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to clone apps. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, simply start by opening your Play Store app. Once your app is open, search for parallel space. So once you search for this, you are going to see different type of app, but the one that you need to use, this exact one that you can see here, parallel space app cloning. And this app is actually having about 100 million downloads. So this is the exact app that you need to install on your device. So all you have to do is just click on it and install it on your mobile device. Now, once you successfully installed it, click on open, then click on agree and continue, then click on continue. Now it's going to show you this. Just click on why using the app and then click on allow. Now the next thing you need to do here is just click on start, and it's going to start loading up the interface. So as you can see, it's going to select some multiple apps. So all you have to do is just unselect some app and just leave just one app, because you are going to need to clone one app in order to open the interface. So let me just start by cloning my Instagram. So I will click add to parallel space, then click on accept. So once you do this, you can see that Instagram have actually been cloned in this app. So let's clone another app. So click on add app, and then let's clone WhatsApp this time around. All right, I've selected just WhatsApp. So let's click on add to parallel space. So as you can see, WhatsApp is in there. So let me prove to you guys that this actually works. So once I click on my Instagram, it's going to start up the app. So as you can see, the Instagram app is open. So if I want to log in, I can easily log in. Now let's test my WhatsApp. So if I click on my WhatsApp, it's also going to open the cloned WhatsApp. As you can see, the WhatsApp is open. So now I'm going to show you guys that you can actually clone app as many times as possible. Meaning you can clone your Instagram like 10 times, your WhatsApp like 10 times, as many times as possible. So let's clone our WhatsApp multiple times so you guys will see that this is actually working. Also, apart from cloning Instagram and WhatsApp, you can actually clone other apps. If you see this interface now, you see that there are different apps that can actually clone. But I'm just using WhatsApp and Instagram as an example on this video. So let's clone my WhatsApp again. You can see there's two WhatsApp now. So let's clone it for the third time. So now as you can see, I'm having 3 WhatsApp and 1 Instagram. So if you are ever in any situation where you need to clone any app, this parallel space is the exact app that you need to use to get that done. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.